In 2026, we have been conditioned to accept a landscape of disposable technology, devices that feel purpose-built for the landfill. Most mass-market electronics are designed with a whisper of planned obsolescence, a digital timer ticking down until frustration compels a replacement. But then, there are outliers, the defiant few. Today, we examine one such anomaly, the MobileSmart board MX065 with IQ. This isn't just another interactive whiteboard for schools. This is a strategic asset, a tool engineered to prevent what I call efficiency leakage in high-stakes professional environments. Pick it up. Or rather, try to. This isn't some wafer-thin sheet of plastic. We are talking about a 70-pound panel, nearly 4 inches deep, encased in CNC machined industrial-grade aluminum. The zero-flex chassis and sheer physical density hint at the thermal dissipation capabilities within. It is built to endure, to anchor your mission-critical presentations for years, not just seasons. Think about the time drains you tolerate daily. The MX065 combats them directly. Consider setup friction. The seamless integration with your laptops, tablets, and smartphones isn't just a bullet point on a spec sheet. It means zero fumbling with cables or obscure settings. If this saves you just 2 minutes of frustration before 5 meetings a week, that's 10 minutes. Over a year, you have bought back nearly 9 hours of peak performance from your team. 9 hours simply by removing minor, yet insidious digital annoyances. Real-time collaboration is where this board truly earns its keep. Imagine multiple participants simultaneously interacting, annotating, brainstorming. That isn't just working together, it is accelerating consensus. Every minute you shave off a protracted discussion, every insight captured instantly on screen, rather than scribbled on a notepad, adds up. This is measurable return on investment. If this board enables your team to reach a decision point even 5 minutes faster on a complex project, the financial impact is immediate. It is buying back your morning, one friction-free interaction at a time. Yes, it is heavier than the flimsy alternatives, perhaps requiring professional mounting. But that weight, that substantiality, is not a flaw. It is the integrated heatsink, the very core of its thermal management, ensuring your most demanding collaborative sessions never throttle due to heat. That density is the silent promise of stability and longevity. The ability to easily annotate, to integrate multimedia, to capture audience feedback in real time. These are not mere features. They are mechanisms that keep the creative flow uninterrupted, preventing ideas from dissipating into the ether. It is about converting thought into actionable intelligence, instantly. Global supply lines in 2026 are, as you know, a dynamic beast. Availability for this particular model, especially the 65-inch variant, can fluctuate wildly. This is less a purchase and more a strategic acquisition. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price in stock.